If statements allows us to add decisions to our codes. If consists of, if, a pair of parentheses and a condition inside, and curly brackets, with codes inside that will run when the condition is true. Let's see this example. We ask the user's age. And if the age is greater than 18, it will display you're an adult. But if the above condition is false, you're an adult will not be displayed. We can also add an else here. And let's display that you're still a kid instead of displaying nothing. And when we run this and input 12, we can see that you're still a kid is displayed. This else always runs whenever the conditions above aren't met. We can also insert another condition here, by using an else if, between this if and else blocks. Type else if in a pair of parentheses. And put in here if the user's age is greater than 12. Then we could display that the user is a teen. When we run this and type 14, it says you're a teen. Awesome. Both if and else if can be duplicated many times you want. Let's try to duplicate this else if, and change its condition and message. Now we can run and try this code. You can try as well with your own conditions and message. Nesting if statement is also possible. We can add inside this if statement a new one. With this example, first it will run the outside if statement. Then if the condition is met, it will run the new nested if statement. And here's a secret. The conditions you see inside the if statements are all booleans. Since a condition is answerable by true or false. And there are other operators you can use aside from the greater than. Like less than that you can read in this documentation. Thanks for watching. If you like this video please like and subscribe for more coding tutorials. Happy coding everyone.